How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a really cool 64 Ford Galaxie XL. Just a really cool car. Car come out of California. An older gentleman had the car. Super cool old car. Really clean. Original panels everywhere. It's all the original grille. Really good condition. Front bumper's been re-chromed. Car's pretty straight down the sides. It's done in a Tuxedo Black. Just a cool car. Nice to have American torque thrust wheels on it. Got a nice dual exhaust setup. It's all the original trim in the back. I believe it's the original rear bumper. It's really good condition. See, the car's pretty flat down the sides, and for black, shows everything. It is older paint on the car, but it still looks real good. And it's got the 390 in it with a tri-power setup. It's got power steering, the power brakes. He did added a vacuum pump there for the brakes. Don't know that you really need it, but he said he was having a hard time pushing the brake pedal. So he just added the pump to make it easier. It's all older interior, looks real good, it's all in good shape, dash looks good. Headliner's real nice in the car. Been updated with the front and rear seat belts. Got the original buckets and center console. All in the trunk looks good. Again, this is a California car, really clean. Got the original spare and jack. I really like the roof line on these cars. Got the vintage tach. Pair of gauges there nicely mounted under the dash. It's got a AM/FM CD stereo upgrade. Did a nice job mounting it in the dash. It didn't cut it up too bad or anything. We'll fire it up. Got a little bit of a camshaft to it, you know, it's got a little thumpity thump. Backup lights, everything works. Just a good driving car. And you can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. So it's just a cool car done in black. Torque thrust wheels. Have a great day, folks.